Dennis and Michelle, who's doing the excavation. They got the deep end panels up. They're now digging for the deep end, and Brandon is about to measure. They're gonna have to go 2 more feet because it's going 6 feet. We're doing 3.5 down to 6 feet, so they're starting the deep end dig. All right. We got it. Just give me
the trees right there. I'm like, oh man, trees there.
right there. All right, just gonna shovel this around. My husband right there in the house. 5th day out here. He just started. Dennis is up on his equipment. He just started to do the backfield. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We're in Griffin, Georgia. Beautiful day out. He's starting the backfield. Padding is going way back over there past my husband's. I got his son. So we're waiting on him to get done. Padding. The only thing, as you see, the footer is hard. Everything's dry. The only thing that that was an error yesterday was, well, it was 2 things. Was that he didn't put the main drain in. So what we did was just letting you guys know what little issues or stuff that in rushing, because we weren't completely ready when the concrete truck pulled up. And so once the thing was setting, we realized, or starting to set, we realized, oh my God, they put the main drains in. So I asked him to move this spot concrete back in that one little spot, which I think out of this entire pool, this one spot that's about a foot shouldn't be that much of a problem. And we bought bags of concrete to pour over it once we're done. But we dug that before it dried so that we can today, this morning, go over there and run the pipes through there for the main drain. The ground in the pool. Right now, as of this morning, Brandon came and put the coping down here, the track or whatever you call it, that's gonna hold the liner, and we got the one for the stone since we're doing flagstone. Also, he placed the ladder thing right there where it needs to go exactly. The electrician had grounded it last week. He did the plumbing here for the water feature waterfall that's gonna be right here. That's gonna go down there, gonna be fed by the returns that's going into the pool. So it's gonna operate, I guess, as a return too. He set up the pump and filter. Still has some other stuff to do when he comes back. But everything is situated over there. Pretty quick. I just went down and purchased the stone about 2 hours ago. Pretty quick. We got 4 tons approximately. There's the other pallet over there. Each pallet is about 2 tons. My second, I think ninth day working on the pool. Stone guys are out here laying out the flagstone. You can see the footer there that they're starting to place. Stone guy out here chiseling away. He's starting for the coping. Today is July 5th. I think it's the 12th day of working on the pool. Okay guys, today is July 6th, the 13th day. Okay, today's July 16th day because the stone guy came yesterday and finished the coping around it. So right now they're forming. Yeah, July 14th, and this is either the 16th or 17th day. And the decking for our patio for the fire pit over here is being done with the Today is July 24th. I have no idea what day we're on, maybe like the 22nd day, 23rd day of dealing with this pool, building this pool. As you see, the water is in. Brandon was out here this evening. We put that in around the stairs. We have to clean the stairs, got that hose running. Hey guys, today is July 27th. I've totally lost count of the days. It's probably like the 23rd, 24th day. I have no idea. Anyway, we were out here with plants and things trying to, gonna get more, but was just getting some stuff and sitting it in place and trying to figure out where we wanted little kind of landscaping islands or whatever. We have a ton of stone over there that we have to pressure wash, and 2 on the back side behind that wheelbarrow. Anyway, we got the pump in here pulling the water, some of the water back out. He told me to stop it when it gets to the hopper. He came out today to put that in there because over the weekend after we dropped the liner on Friday, he put the vac here and had it going all Friday, all Saturday. And when I saw it kind of pulling down like there, I was texting and calling, and he was saying, don't turn the vac off, don't turn the vac off. But then asked us to shut the water off when he got to that bottom strip there. So anyway, he's backing some of the water out so we can pull this up and lock it back in. I think the mortar that got in there, we should have taped over that track before the stone was done, and I asked if that needed to be done, and I was told no, it wasn't a problem, don't worry about taping it. Just seemed like common sense to me that if the mortar is kind of soupy, like when they go to put it underneath the stone, that it would get in the track, and that's exactly what happened. So as we were helping him put in the liner, it's about the storm. Today is July 28th. We were able to get the lining back in place using the hot water method and also letting a little water out on the shallow end because that end was down deeper. He's putting in now the liner lock to hopefully secure that that doesn't happen again. He's gonna put in the light and the skimmer plate and the returns. Everything over there is completed. The plumber, I think he has to put on one more 45-degree elbow, and that'll be it. About to call the electrician and let him know he can come out. Today the rail and deep end ladder was installed. The return eyes, I guess we should start running the water back in here. Um, and the light was put in. So we've let the electrician know. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. All right.